Hi everybody, my name's Haley Smith. I'm the marketing manager here at Belching Beaver Brewery.
I'm Troy Smith, the brewmaster here at the Beaver.
And we're super excited to be part of this Surfin' Suds at Home Fest. And we're going to be sharing with you our Mexican style lager, Buenos Tiempos.
This is a special beer to me because I love drinking Mexican beers. It tastes great. Make it with a michelada, squeeze a lime, salt the rim, or just drink it straight up. Either way, it's a fantastic beverage.
Light and refreshing. And you can find us on social media at Belching Beaver. You can also find this beer on our website and have it shipped to you in California, belchingbeaver.com. You can also find it at our locations, Oceanside, Tavern and Grill, and Pub 980.
Yep. Chuck approves. He already downed this one.
So we hope you enjoy, and thanks so much.